Hi guys, real quick, I want to go over this Pioneer CT-F500. It's going to be sold as is. Appears that this light is out. Opens up fine. Let me see if you can see inside there. I'll give you some light. Okay, like I said, it's being sold as is. It appears that it runs. Whatever. So what I'm going to say is probably the play belt. The play belt is broken, which then doesn't allow these to go, and this light's out. So I'm guessing if you can know how to fix the play belt, I don't want to deal with it. I don't have time for this stuff anymore. You see the Adobe Note lights on and whatever else comes with it. But it's going to be sold as is. Thanks, guys.